Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia and today I'm going to be doing kind of like a follow-up video on my last box lunch haul video where I went into the store and I bought things and I ended up getting three $15 box lunch cash back. So this is what I used it for. I spent it online, so I want to show you guys how I used it. Okay, so full disclosure, this is a very themed haul. Myself and my son have two characters that we really like, and Box Lunch is awesome about having kind of like hard to find characters. This is the shirt that I bought at Box Lunch when I went into the store a couple months ago, and it's a Robin Hood Maid Marian shirt. I love this shirt. Like, I was a little bit unhappy with how expensive it was. It is so soft, the sleeves are perfect. I love this shirt. It's awesome. Highly recommend. I do that like tie knot thing, and you can even kind of dress it up a little bit. So anyway, the Box Lunch t-shirts are very high quality and I highly recommend them. So I got basically, so I had three $15 Box Lunch cash things, and I was kind of curious because they tend to have sales. So I was wondering if I could stack the cash along with a sale. So whenever the cash came into use, there was also a 20% off discount going on, and I tried to stack the two, and just so you guys know, you cannot. So you have to pick to either use your cash or use their whatever discounts going on, whether it's 20% or 30%. For me, it made a lot more sense to use the cash because it was $15 off of 30. So what I did was I basically bought enough items to get up to that $90 mark. So with tax and everything, I ended up paying about I got it to like 100 and some, and then obviously knocked it down from there with the 45 in cash that I had. So I think my total ended up being like 70-ish. In my opinion, a great deal for what I got. So let me show you. First off, so I love Robin Hood. It is an impossible character to find typically, but as I said, Box Lunch is great about those I don't know, like less popular, less mainstream type characters, and my son loves Stitch, so I got him a hat because after my last haul and he saw my Stitch hat, he really wanted a hat. So I grabbed him this one. It is like what I would call a trucker hat. I guess it's got like the mesh in the back, and it's got Stitch right here. It says Hawaii. He's surfing. So I think this will be a great hat for him, like at the pool or just wherever. And the original price on this was $32.90. So that was the price for this hat, which to me is pretty pricey. We're not really hat people. I think I said that in the last video, and I wear that Stitch hat all the time now. So I take it back. I really like that hat a lot. And I think he will love this one. I think it's really cute. It's perfect just for kind of his style. And I don't know. We like beachy tropical things, so it's perfect. And then I also got myself another hat because why not? And of course, it's Robin Hood. They did not have this in the store. When I originally checked the website, they also didn't have it. So I don't know. I think it comes from like a different company possibly, and if you order it, then they, get it in. But it's pretty good. It's like an embroidered Robin Hood here, if you guys can see that. It's a super soft hat. The embroidery is pretty good. His face looks a little funny to me. I don't know if you guys can see that, but his eyeball is giant. But anyway, it is a cute kind of like dad style hat. I will say it's like covered in lint already, but it's a black hat, so what are you gonna do? And the price on that was $18.90, and it says Disney on it, and then the tag also says Concept One Accessories. So it's a very different tag than any of the other merchandise seems to have. But I'm very excited about this hat because it's so hard to find Robin Hood stuff. So I love this. Probably like trashing out my hair right now. And then I got these. It's back to school time, so we're always buying socks and stuff like that. Anyway, this was really a filler because the other products I bought, they didn't get me to that $90 mark because I believe something was on sale, but it was a sale that could combine with the box lunch cash. So anyway, these were a filler, but they are perfect. They're Lilo and Stitch socks, originally $9.90, and they've got these flowers and little Stitch head and palm fronds, and they're just super cute. So I think he will like those a lot. Again, very tropically, and they are adult size, so they're for a size 10 to 13. So, and then next, surprise, surprise, it is a Robin Hood t-shirt. This one I really like. They did have this one in the store, and I will say, again, the Robin Hood face here is kind of weird for me, but I really like that it's got the whole set of characters pretty much on it. It's got the rooster guy, who is awesome, and it says, I might have already said this, but it says protect Sherwood Forest. And again, crazy soft. Looking forward to wearing this one. This is a size medium. Medium is also what I'm wearing here. Normally I'm like an 8 to 10 in women's, so if you kind of want to use that as sort of a scale, and it's super comfortable. Like, it's not, you know, tight or anything like that. I would say medium is like the perfect fit for that size range. So yeah, I'm pumped to wear this one. We'll see if I like it as much. I think I probably will. But it's got some trees. Kind of try to hold it still for you guys there for a second. And the price on this one was $28.90, which was the same price this one was, which initially I thought was quite expensive for a t-shirt, but of course I got to use almost a whole $15 in the cash on this one, so it took it down to be about, you know, $16, $17 for this shirt, which is a lot more reasonable, and seriously, it's so soft, no regrets. And then this, I am super, super excited about. So Spirit jerseys have become really popular, especially at Disney World and Disneyland. I feel like they have a Spirit jersey for like everything now, and I have a couple. I've got a Run Disney one that I really like, and then just like a lavender Spirit jersey that says Walt Disney World on the back. I haven't opened this yet, but they had a Robin Hood Spirit jersey, which I thought was crazy. So I had to grab it. This is also a size medium, and I think it's for men. Like, I feel like it was modeled by a guy. So hopefully the medium is not huge. I'm assuming it will probably be fine. But, look at it. So I love this color green, kind of like a huntery green, and it's sort of tie-dyed. And it's got Robin Hood's hat right here, which I think is really cute. And that's kind of the only Robin Hood type thing on the front. And then on the back, it says Sherwood Forest. And it's got like the little stripes here on the side. And I think this is gonna be like that perfect, cozy, kind of slouchy thing for fall and winter. So I'm very excited about that. And inside it also says Sherwood Forest, which is kind of cute. There in the back label. And then the price on this one is $38.90. Yeah. So this I also got to use, you know, obviously that cash on, which took it down to a more reasonable price. I'm actually gonna try this on really quick. I'm just a little curious if that sizing is gonna be good or if it's gonna be kind of big. Okay, nope. I would say if you're around an 8 to 10, go with medium. It fits perfect. So I'm very excited. That is all I got, but I think it was a great use of that $45 in box lunch gifts cash that I had. And they also often run sales, like I think today, and again, they run like 24 hours, but if you miss one, they'll have another one in a couple weeks. Today is 30% off, so if you see this video today and you want to grab some of this stuff, it's 30% off most of the site, I believe. So if you like some of those harder to find characters and you just want some unique stuff, like this isn't stuff that everybody is gonna have, which I think is why I like it so much. You'll definitely like the Maid Marian shirt I was wearing. I have definitely gotten compliments on it. and people just being surprised because you don't see her on stuff very often. It will be rare, especially if it's one of those more obscure characters, but it's always cool and you can kind of meet people that like the same thing as you. So anyway, I hope everyone is doing great. If you want to see more hauls like this, just let me know, and I'll see you next time.